Tactical Guy 1 here from the YouTube world, bringing you another video on how the prosecutors do one thing while the law clearly mandates they do something quite the opposite. Prosecutors' disclosure duties in general. Now, don't mind my voice, I'm sick as a dog, so I apologize in advance. Penal Code Section 10541 requires a prosecuting attorney to disclose 6 types of evidence to the defendant or to his or her attorney. The word disclose is a word that was new to discovery law in California with the enactment of the Criminal Discovery Statute. I'm going to fit the rest of this stuff, if possible, in the description box, so please look for it there. Now, I've been to the DA's office in the past before I knew how to make motions and formal requests for discovery or even a motion to compel, and I've gone to them and I've asked them for discovery, and they said, sorry, you need to file something with the court clerk, and we can't tell you what it is because we can't give you legal advice. Have a good day. Then, of course, if I kept saying, well, I need discovery from them, they would simply call the cops, and then I would get threatened with disturbing the peace, amongst other stuff, trespassing. So that's the kind of stuff they would pull back in the days. Now that I know that under Penal Code Section 10541, they're required to provide 6 types of evidence to me as a criminal defendant, I would simply say that if, for some reason, I'm close to their office. Now, if I'm not, I can simply file a motion, an informal request for discovery motion, or if I've already filed that 15 days after that, a motion to compel since they have not provided discovery after it was requested. So hopefully this video helps you guys out, and I hope you guys share this with your friends and family members because this is the kind of stuff that they do. Now, another thing that they have, or some type of loophole technically, I guess, because they don't disclose this to the defendant in a criminal matter, the prosecutor basically will say, we have an open door policy, so any defendant can come to our office and simply request discovery, and they can review whatever we have if they'd like. But of course, they don't let the defendant know this, so how is the defendant going to know? And even if you do go to their office, like I've done in the past, they tell you you need to file something. So just be aware that this is the type of trickery that the prosecution sometimes does on criminal defendants. Thanks for watching, guys, and Godspeed.